Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ma. Happy birthday to you. এরকম এরকম করে অনেক অনেক আরো খাওয়া দাওয়া করতে পারি।
একদম খুব ভালো, অপূর্ব হয়েছে মুখটা,
ভালো হয়েছে
খুব।
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing great. And also my friends, I sincerely hope that you all are having a super happy and fantastic life with your family, with your friends. So today is 13th of June and tomorrow is 14th of June and tomorrow is my mom's birthday. So I am so happy to tell you that we are celebrating her birthday. The Bengali Thali kind of birthday celebration that we are celebrating today. And today I am making all the food items that my mom loves to eat. So I have already started making chicken and dal is already made. Then I'll make prawn curry, one sabji I'll make, and I'll make lots of fries and puris. So whatever I'll make, I'll show you, but I don't know, I cannot show you in a detailed way, my friends, because I'm just running out of time. And in between my cooking, I went to Rima to get some yogurt because yogurt was not there in my fridge. So that's why you can see a little bit of makeup on my face. So yes, actually tomorrow is her birthday, but today we are celebrating since tomorrow is a veg day, and we Bengalis love to celebrate our birthdays in a very non-vegetarian way. So that's the thing, but tomorrow I'll do the proper ritual with paesh and everything. We Bengalis love to. And finally my cooking is done, my friends. I have made all these food items specially for my mom. Her favorite items I have made today. Since morning I am cooking and I'm so excited to celebrate this day, this special day here in Denmark with all my family members. I couldn't shoot anything because I was super busy, but here are the items. Now one by one I'll tell you what food items I have made for my dear mommy on her very special day. My mom loves to eat prawns, so today I have made very delicious Bengali style prawn curry, prawn malai curry with mustard and poppy seed paste. This is a very typical Bengali style prawn recipe. Someday I'll definitely share this recipe with you all, my friends. And then I made chicken kurma, which is again my mom's favorite. And then I made moong dal. I made some chutney, which is not there in this picture, aloo gobi ki sabji, and lots of fries. And here I'm almost ready with the birthday thali. My mom and my mom-in-law, they are talking there and they are in the sofa. My dad and Bikram, they are also talking about cricket. And in between I'm just I'm arranging the birthday thali because I have already prepared all the food items. Here in these small steel bowls I'm arranging all the delicious food items to make this thali for my mom. You know, my friends, every year I used to celebrate my mom's birthday in a grand way like this way. But last year I missed it because we came here in Denmark in February and in June we didn't go to Kolkata. So this year I'm so lucky and I'm feeling super special to celebrate this day. And not only this day, lots of special days are coming. You have already seen the Jamai Shoshti vlog, and that day also my mom made lots of different Bengali items for Bikram, and today I made all these items for my mom. And this is how it looks like. This is the final look of this very special birthday thali that I have prepared for my mom. Paj bhaja is very important part of this thali. 5 types of fries. Here you can see I have fried potatoes, eggplants, carrots, papad and also fish. কেমন খুশি খাবারগুলো দেখে?
এত আয়োজন, সর্বনাশ,
শেষ করতে হবে সব। তোমার জন্য আমরাও আজকে ভালো ভালো সব খাবার খাবো। রান্নাগুলো খেয়ে বলবে সবাইকে, হ্যাঁ কেমন হলো?
হ্যাঁ সে তো বলবোই।
আমাদের লাঞ্চ
ক্লাস
ভালো হচ্ছে? আপাতত ডালটাতে আছো। আর এরকম বারবার ফিরে আসুক যাতে আমরা এরকম এরকম করে অনেক অনেক আরো খাওয়া দাওয়া করতে পারি।
একদম খুব ভালো অপূর্ব হয়েছে মুখটা আপনার।
ভালো হয়েছে?
খুব
মা কেমন খাচ্ছ?
দারুণ।
দারুণ। সবাই ভালো করে এনজয় করে খাও। So my friends, birthday lunch is going on as you can see. Actual birthday is tomorrow, so tomorrow I'll do some rituals with payesh and everything. But today the Bengali Thali kind of lunch celebration is going on. So keep watching the vlog. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Ma. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. And today is her actual birthday, my friends. This is 14th of June and it's a very special day in our lives. And today I made all these vegetarian items for my mommy, especially this rice kheer or payesh, which is a very important part of Bengali birthday celebration. So today I made a rice kheer with lots of dry fruits like raisins and cashew. Then I made chana dal, dum aloo, all in a vegetarian way. Also I made cabbage curry and this fulko luchi, which is my mom's absolute favorite item. So now we are going to celebrate her birthday in this way. এবার মা যাও, তুমি এই দিক দিয়ে যাও।
খালো খালো
আজকে শুক্রবারটা পড়ে গিয়ে দুদিন ধরে হয়ে গেল একটু। হ্যাঁ কেমন আছে মা রান্নাটা?
খুব ভালো হয়েছে দারুণ 100
একশোতে 100। আচ্ছা পায়েসটাকে তারপরে বলো, আমি পরে সবাইকে বলবো কেমন হলো। ঠিক আছে, খাও, এনজয় করো। কালকেও একটা হয়ে গেছে, আজকে ভেজ লাঞ্চ আবার আছে সামনে আবার আছে। ঠিক আছে। So that's all from today's vlog, my friends. I hope you have really enjoyed it. So my friends, today's vlog was little random, I know. 2 days long celebration was there and I couldn't shoot any recipe part, but my mom loves all the food items that I made for her. Very soon in my channel, my friends, I'll definitely share these special recipes, especially the prawn malai curry recipe and the rice kheer or payesh recipe. I'll definitely share very soon in my channel. You all can understand how much busy I am right now. I'm enjoying each and every moment with my family. I'm enjoying each and every day with them because within 2-3 weeks they are going to leave. So I'm spending my time as much as possible with them. But in between I'm trying to upload my vlogs. So on 11th of June also it was a special day. In my next vlog you are going to see that. So thank you so much. I'll see you guys super soon. Tata bye bye. Love you.